G'day everyone, and welcome to another Tempest video. Quick update today, as it's entirely possible there's a few people curious why we've announced another raising today. Well, hopefully I can give you the answers. The long and the short of it is that we had a party who we announced a few weeks ago that we're going to do a private placement with Tempest. Well, it turns out that the fiasco in the overseas market has hit them pretty hard, and they've decided to put a hold on all their investing activities to take stock, I guess. While we understand that things are pretty wild stemming out of the US, I'm not going to lie and say that this was helpful for Tempest, but it is what it is. But we're not here to talk about the past, we're here to talk about today's announcement. So let's get straight into it. The key points, as always, at the top here tell the short version of the story for those of you who are TLDR or time constrained. But I can say with some clarity that we've had a great deal of interest in raising capital on this round. And I think that's a reflection of the quality of our projects and the fact that the market might not be necessarily valuing us according to the value of what we have. Our friends at Signet Capital, they gave us quite a compelling offer and they're keen to move fast and work with us. So as you can see, they've completed a placement of 400k. And then below that, you can see that we're going to complete a rights issue or an entitlement issue. And that'll raise us a bit more, about another 1.5 million. I'm a big fan of rights issues, and I may have said in a previous video or two that particularly because it gives existing shareholders more control of the outcomes of the company's financing. And obviously here at the bottom, we'll see where the money will be going, and that's straight into progressing our projects. Next up, we'll be completing the financing, which might take a few weeks. But while we're doing that, we'll be planning and getting ready for our next lot of work. And that includes a whole bunch of stuff, including a number of studies at Remorse. So we've got a new iron ore discovery and we're developing it very, very fast. And we're also planning on doing some drilling. And that'll be for both iron as well as at our gold projects. So I always say it, but we've got a stack of news coming up. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube as well as stay tuned on our investor area of our website. I'm looking forward to talking to everyone again soon. But until then,